Hi everyone, this is Debbie here. Welcome to Southern Delight. I have a very neat segment today. We're going to be doing a makeover on my little sitting area that I have on my patio. And let me bring you around here. This area right here is a little sitting area that I am going to give a makeover. I know you saw me do a video where I made the lighted star there, but this area is in desperate need of a makeover, as you can see. And well, a pergola is not in the budget. We priced those. A screened-in porch is not in the budget. But I happen to love the outdoors, and I need a little sitting area. And I wanted to try something for maybe under $200 possibly is what I'm looking at. So we're going to try to make this over, say, for under $200. And I'm going to go and see what I can come up with. Thing that we're going to do is I went and on overstock.com they had these neat little triangle sunshade sales, and I thought that would be a really good way to shade this area without having to sink about $1,000 in it. This set me back probably about $58. I was so excited, and then when it got here a little bit of my excitement disappeared because the red that you see here is not the red I got. The red I got was this red. Very, very bright. And the material wasn't what I thought either. It's more of a tarp hard material. It wasn't the fabric. I thought I was ordering the fabric one, so pay close attention when you read these things.
Lounge chair material.
You can hear my husband in the background. Maybe it's the Dollar Tree version. But anyways, this is what I got, and I'm not giving up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it up here and see if we can get some shade going regardless. Maybe it'll look better once it's hanging. I mean, you gotta admit, I mean, this picture is very nice here, and that's what I was going for, you know, the whole look there, because I thought, oh, okay, you know, my chairs are that color, and the red blends with the lovely blue I have on my house. But we'll see. We're fixing to assemble that. Okay, you can go ahead and laugh now because this is pretty insane. But the whole idea is to take this triangle. We're going to hang a hook there with some rope, a hook there with some rope. We're going to come out here in this flower bed here with rope. And we're going to string that tarp, pardon the noise. Ladies, I don't know if you're like me, but in my quiet space, there's always a man working.
That ain't right. You don't have one bit of a problem when you laying out in the sun and catch a big fish. So I don't want to hear nothing.
But anyways, we're going to hook it there. We're going to go get about a 12-foot post here, dig a hole. Well, I'll have someone dig a hole so that we can hook that up and make some shade over here. Stay tuned and I'll show you the final result. Ladies, there we have it. We've got the shade hung, and I added, my husband had to dig a post there. We took a 12-foot post and he buried it in the ground. But she's starting to take shape over there. Still have some work to do. I've got to go get some rocks and start trimming back the flowers, and then we're going to decorate the fun part. See that over there? We've got the pull down. I'm going to turn that into a nice oasis. And We have the covered little patio. Good. The star there, those were used with just some refurbished items. I picked up some new cushions at Home Depot. These were $14 a piece. $14, $15. Then I got the cover, which was $58 from Overstock. These are items I had. That's where the swimming pool used to be. I picked up 2 chairs from Home Depot. They were, I think, $19. Probably $20 chairs. Tiki lights. I got 1 ton of rocks, which cost me, they set me back about $97 for 1 ton. It's just a lot of work and labor getting them in there. It only took us about 2 hours. I got some palm trees from Home Depot. They're about $15. This thing fell over. My prized possession, my swimming pool. This one wasn't in the budget, y'all. I was trying to do a makeover for $200. Well, that one busted the budget because my swimming pool had a hole in it. So that set me back a little bit. But it's perfect for this little area. There's some more of my stars I just refurbished. I added a little bit of paint too. But now I've got to get pine straw, paint to paint that, and paint to go there and repair it. We did that when we first bought the house and it rained right after I'd done it, so it peeled up. So I've got to redo that. So I hope you'll stick around because I've got these projects left. I'm going to be putting pine straw around there and trying to make that a little bit more round where it's a perfect circle. And I need some little blocks there to go ahead and finish my little walkway. Little pavers. Paint there. Stain that. So I hope you'll keep watching me. Watch me keep transforming this backyard into my own personal tropical garden, but it's on its way. Alright, my next project. I needed some pavers. I'm going to dig these bricks down. I'm trying to make a walkway from my little patio here to the new patio. So I've laid some bricks out and I've got to dig them down. And the thing about the flowers that I'm using, these are all bulb plants, and they are easy to care for, and they multiply like crazy. So what I did was I dug one up over there because I'm going to have a little walkway over on that side. But they had all these little babies, so I'm going to spread these out. There's the big one. It had all these little babies on it. But we're going to plant these and make a little flower garden. And then I'm going to probably get some daylilies in here. These are all lilies that I'm using. Like I said, bulb plants. Those are my favorite. And I'll just probably move some around that I've had in my yard. And what I'm going to do here is carry on the theme. I'm going to take and make put my flowers and stuff here with pine straw to make a border. And we're going to fill this area in the center with the rest of those rocks. And then I'll probably get some more, if I can find these. I don't know if they've been discontinued or not. I may add one in the middle every few feet until you walk, to join these two little areas. But we're going to get to work on that. First, we tore down our swimming pool. brought in these pebble rocks. We made call it my tanning pool. We started at the fire pit and added some tiki lights. I just made an extension from over at my other patio. Of course, I've got a DIY on how to do that lighted star there. So very peaceful out here. See my lovely husband. Say hey, everyone.
Hi, ladies.
He's just enjoying our little area. It's where we find that I'm spending a lot of my time lately.
Sit outside and listen to the bugs.
Dude, it's like a little tropical paradise here.
With no tropics.
And then if you have children or little small kids, you can light the fire and put them in the little pool so they can play, which we don't have any little ones anymore. We're empty nesters, so
We old.
we're empty nesters, so we can just sit out here and relax.
Be sleepy listening to the birds.